What was united stood at a crossroads. Solomon rested with his fathers, and Rehoboam took the throne. The people gathered and said, "Lighten the heavy yoke your father placed upon us." The elders answered with wisdom, "Serve the people, speak kindly, and they will serve you forever." But the young men answered with pride. Two voices stood before him, one spoke restraint, one spoke power. The choice was made, and the kingdom split. Rehoboam replied harshly, "My father disciplined you with whips, I will discipline you with scorpions." The people turned away, and Israel departed. 10 tribes followed Jeroboam, 2 remained with the house of David. The words spoken by the Lord came to pass. Boundaries were drawn, not by enemies, but by stubborn hearts. Brother stood against brother under separate crowns. Rehoboam sought to fight, but the word of the Lord restrained him. "This division is from me." So the swords were lowered, and the split remained. One nation became two, and the fracture endured.